Hi everyone! Here is another vlog presentation from me once again, Leila May F. Lumbradas from Master of Arts in Education, C101. Dated today, August 1st, 2026, we are going to discuss one of the most important topic in philosophical foundations of education, which is the role of philosophy in education. Philosophy is not just a thick book or an old subject. It is the foundations that gives purpose, direction, and meaning to everything that we do inside the classroom. According to John Dewey, in his 1916 book entitled Democracy in Education, he meant that philosophy and education are deeply connected because both try to, to shape how people think, feel, and act in the real world. Simply put this way, philosophy is the theory and then the education is the practice. Philosophy influences four main areas of education. First is the goal. It helps us answer what should students become. Second, curriculum helps us choose what subjects and topics are most important to teach. Third, teaching methods. It guides how should teachers present their lesson. It's either through lectures or hands-on activities. Fourth, values. It defines what behaviors and beliefs should be encouraged in students. Now let's talk about metaphysics, the study of reality and existence. It answers the questions, what is real? What is the true nature of human beings? To give you a real life example, imagine a science high school teacher conducting a lessons on climate change. Instead of just giving lectures, the teacher asks the class, what is our responsibility as a human beings to the natural world? By this question, students reflect on their own existence, human nature, and their real connection to the environment. Next is epistemology and its impact on teaching and learning. Epistemology, we all know that it is the study of knowledge and truth. It answers the questions, how do we know what is true? How do students actually learn? Sources of knowledge comes from experience, observation, reason, intuition, and authority, combining rationalist and empiricist views. To give you a real-life example, in a biology class, instead of just telling students that plant roots absorbs water, the teacher places a celery stalk into colored water and let students observe the changes over 2 days. The students construct truth through direct experience and observation, rather than just taking the words from the teachers. The last branch that we are going to discuss is axiology. It is the study of values. Take note that it has two parts. The ethics, that the study of right and wrong. Second is the aesthetics, the study of beauty and art. Education is not just about producing smart students. It is about raising a good human beings. And axiology guides schools in teaching moral principle like honesty, empathy, respect, and responsibility that turns its students into good and active citizens. To give you a real life example, in a group project, the teacher set the rules. Every member must listen respectfully when someone else speaks and credit everyone's contribution fairly. When a dispute arises, the teacher helps the students to resolve it through calm dialogue rather than giving punishment. The teachers teach ethical behavioral fairness and mutual respect in practice. To conclude, let me answer this final question. How can understanding philosophy help me become a better educator? Philosophy makes me understand that I need to ensure that I will not going to teach by routine and habits only, but with deep intention and purpose. Philosophy will help me become not just an instructor who delivers content, but a mentor who inspires minds and touches lives. Thank you so much for watching, and